interactive art installation created by Marcus Lyall, and it's called Presence. And it's thanks to Royal Docks as part of the Join the Docks Festival. And it's dead easy, and you're going to have a go, right?
Okay, we'll have a go. And apparently I speak and it transformed my voice into something else.
Yeah, you're going to...
So you want to put the torch off. Okay, so let's have a go. What am I doing here?
Run you through it again, ready?
Yep.
So as soon as you put your foot down, it's going to record you. You've got
Yep.
a little time on there.
Okay.
Timer on there.
Sure.
Say something profound like happy birthday.
No, I want to say something. Well, she's gonna do one after saying happy birthday.
Do you know what, you can have as many
I got a
birthdays
message
as you like.
for our viewers because I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I want to say something like Avala, which means thank you, like in a different language.
Amazing, amazing. So
Yeah.
you say
Okay.
that, and then as soon as you release the foot pedal, it sends it all the way down to the end of that chamber, and then comes back as a beautiful visual echo.
Okay, so I'll step on it and say something and then let go. Okay. Ready? Right. So, here we go. Eyvallah. Eyvallah. Wow. Eyvallah. Eyvallah. That's cool. Eyvallah. Wow, that was amazing. I got lost in that. I was like proper into a hypnosis there. But yeah, guys, come and check this. How long are you there?
Yeah, you've got it all to yourself.
How long are you here till? Are you here just today?
So no. So it opens at 5, finishes at 9.
Yeah.
And we're here until Sunday. So
great.
Tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday.
Okay.
And
Whole weekend.
It's all for you. So play as much as you
Perfect.
want.
Thanks very much, guys. Check this place out.